Okay, so far I have unwrapped 15 turns. 15 turns from the top. Looks like there's 2 windings. I've unwound 15 turns. Okay, that's 15 turns. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, that's about halfway, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm unwrapping the top layer. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Okay, after 51 turns, after unwinding 51 turns, I'm going back to the end of the coil. I guess that's 52. Okay, all right. 2 turns to get back. Okay, 2 turns to get back. So I'm going to write down. Okay, now we're going to count how many, again, so we got a total of 51 and 2 to get back, or 51, went back. So we'll start all over again on the second winding, which is the bottom winding. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so 54. We unwound 54 windings. That means that when we wind this, rewind this. Okay, that means when we rewind this, we're going to start on the dotted end. We're going to wind 54 turns, and then we're going to take a couple of turns to get back to this end, and we're going to wind about 51 turns coming the other way. So we got 54 on the bottom layer, And we've got 51 on the top layer of this choke. Okay, so I think now we know how to rewind it. It's fairly simple. I thought it might be something complicated, but it's simply a 2-layer RF choke. Shouldn't be any problem. Okay, I've unwound the RF choke from the Drake L7. We're going to start on one end. I got a dot on the form. I'm going to start on the left side, and I'm going to wind it this way. Turn it this way. Okay, turning the coil away from me. I'm going to wind 54 turns. I'm going to get to this end. And then I'm going to go around maybe twice to get back to the starting point. And then I'm going to put 51 turns coming this way. So we'll have like 54 turns on the bottom layer, and I'm going to have 51 turns on the top layer. And then we'll solder it off, and we'll have rewound RFC5 for my Drake L7. Okay, I unwound about 15 feet. 15 foot of this wire. Just simply an enameled wire. It takes 15 feet to wind the coil. It looks like the size of the wire is 20 thousandths. I had to remove one of the tubes so that I could get to remove the RF choke that had burned up. The choke is on a form that goes between this bracket and a bracket that goes here. Here's the high voltage. Comes in from the terminal on the back of the amplifier. And then this wire right here connects the RF choke to the bottom of the plate RF choke. So it's fairly simple removal. I unwound the burn choke, counted the turns as I did it, and it's looks like 54 turns on the bottom layer and 51 turns on the top. And as soon as I get it rewound with, I think, number 28 wire, and we'll be able to put it back in and get the amplifier back into operation.